Welcome. Namaste. Join me for this guided meditation. We're going to start with placing one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Begin to feel the chest rise and fall. Begin to feel the belly rise and fall. Continue with your natural breath, feeling the air enter your nostrils, then exit your nostrils. Continue to feel your breath. On the next inhale, feel the belly rise. Then feel the ribs expand and finally the chest lift. Coming to the top of the breath, below the throat. On the exhale, the breath leaves the chest, ribs fall, belly contracts. On the next inhale, feel the belly rise. Then the ribs expand. And finally the chest lift. Coming to the top of the breath, below the throat. On the exhale, the breath leaves the chest, ribs fall, belly contracts. Continue with this breathing, feeling all three parts of the breath. And think to yourself, belly, ribs, chest, chest, ribs, belly. Repeat this breath 3 more times. Belly, ribs, chest, chest, ribs, belly. Belly, ribs, chest, chest, ribs, belly. With the third exhale, begin to feel the breath as a wave coming up from the belly and rising to the top of the breath beneath the throat. Hold this breath for 2 counts. Then let go. In a wave from the chest, out the belly. Continue with this wave-like breath, rolling in and up, then counting to 2 and rolling out like a tide. Feel the fluidity of the breath. Feel the complete cycle of the breath. Focus only on the breath. Finish a final cycle of the breath. And after the complete exhale, return to your natural breath. Feel the calmness in the breath. Feel ease and steadiness. Take your time and breathe. When you are ready, open your eyes. Start moving your fingertips, the tips of your toes, your feet, wiggle them around, your fingers completely, full motion. Start to roll your neck and your shoulders and open those eyes. And keep breathing. And come back to that place. Namaste.